Connecting your networking bundle. Before you begin, please make sure you have watched parts 1 and 2, unpacking and understanding your networking bundle. Start by placing your Amplifi router on top of the Phazr hub and locating it next to the home Wi-Fi router, as seen in video 2. Please make sure the home Wi-Fi router has an active internet connection. First, connect the Phazr hub to the Amplifi router using the small black USB cord. Next, plug the blue cord into any of the 4 numbered slots on the Amplifi router. Do not plug the blue cord into the slot on the right, outlined in blue. Connect the white power cord to the Amplifi router. Do not plug the other end of the power cord into an outlet until instructed. It is crucial that you do not power on the networking bundle until all cables have been connected. Last, plug the long white Ethernet cord into the empty slot framed in blue on the Amplifi router, and into any available port on the back of the home Wi-Fi router. Before plugging the white power cord into an outlet, please double check that your cables are connected exactly as shown. If your cables are correct, plug in the white power cord and continue to video 4.